purchase. Purchase book means only those goods are recorded. Those goods are recorded which are purchased on credit. Okay, which are purchased on credit means credit purchase. Means what? Credit purchase are recorded in the purchase book. Okay. Now, if I say, for example, Ram purchased plant and machinery for 4 lakh from MS Preet Enterprises. Okay. So this is a type of credit purchase because here we are not paying the cash immediately. We will pay this cash on the future date. Okay. That's why this transaction will record it in the purchase book. But what if I say Ram purchased plant and machinery for 4 lakh from Preet Enterprises in cash? Okay, if I say with cash I am purchasing this plant and machinery. So tell me whether this will be recorded in the purchase book or not. Tell me. If you have seen my previous video, your answer will be on your lips. Okay, fine. Those who have given the right answer, and congratulations to them. And those who have not, just see my previous video. No, it will not be recorded in the purchase book. Fine, because if the transactions is taken place in cash, it will be recorded in the cash book. Fine. Hope what is purchase book and what items are recorded in the purchase book. Okay. Now other purchases, like if I say other purchase means other than goods. Other than goods, like equipment, building, etc. It will be recorded in journal proper. Fine. The journal proper I will make it clear in the coming videos. Now just remember the purchase which are made other than goods are equipment, building. It will be recorded in the journal proper. Fine. Okay, now we will understand the format of the purchase book. This is the format of the purchase book: date, invoice, name of the supplier, ledger folio, amount. Date, as we have to record in chronological order. Invoice means the supporting document of the transaction which has occurred. Means the purchase which I have made. Okay, so what type of purchase I have made? So this purchases made will be the proof through invoice given to us by the supplier. Okay. This is the name of the supplier. Ledger folio means it is a kind of page number which is mentioned in the ledger. Okay, and that page number is written in this column, right? An amount as usual is the amount. Now you have to remember some of the point. Trade discount. Trade discount is not shown particularly in the cash flow. Rather, it is deducted from the gross amount of the transaction. Okay, we will understand this point with the help of example. And the second point I have told you, if any office equipment and furniture building, so it will be recorded in the journal proper. Fine. Now let us understand with the help of example. MS Kanika Enterprises purchases following items. On August 4, she purchased 20 mini TV at the rate of 2000, 15 tape recorder at rate of 4000 from Mr. Sonu Enterprises, and the trade discount was 10%. Right? Now see how the trade discount is treated in this purchase book. See, this is the calculation of August 4, 20 at the rate of 2000, 15 at the rate of 4000 comes to 1 lakh, and 1 lakh a trade discount is 10%. 10% is 10,000, that is 90,000. Fine. Means I am trying to say is we just deduct the trade discount from the gross amount. Okay, we just deduct it from the gross amount. We will not show this 10% in the purchase book particularly. Okay, or separately. Fine. Now see how this 90,000 is recorded in the purchase book. MS Sonu Enterprise. Here we will write 90,000. The invoice number will be given. We'll write something here. Okay. Now August 10. August 10 purchase from Utkarsh Enterprise 20 video cassettes at a rate of 100, 22 tape record at a rate of 100. Trade discount is 20%. Fine. So here is the calculation. We will calculate in the same way. Just pause my video and try to calculate by your own so that it will be very clear to you. Okay, because account is not a theory, just is a practical thing. Okay, so you have to be very practical with the problems. Fine. So here we go is 3360. So we write here August 10, the invoice number MS Utkarsh Enterprise, and what 3460. I think this is the amount. Let me check. No, 3360. Okay, 3360. So this was where we have recorded in the purchase journal. Okay, this is the purchase journal book. Now this will be transferred into the ledger account. Okay, now we'll prepare the ledger account of Sonu Enterprise and Utkarsh Enterprise. See, this is the Sonu Enterprise ledger account. Okay. So here we will show by the purchases 90,000. This is the ledger account of Sonu Enterprise, and this is the Utkarsh Enterprise ledger account. August 10 purchases 3360. After transferring to the ledger account, we will now just do a balance in the purchase account. Okay, in the purchase account. Here what we will do is, particularly at the end of month, I have told you because periodically the account is managed. So at the end of 1 month, or you can say if the transaction is too lengthy, they will do in the middle. But if transaction is okay, then periodically they will add up, or they will sum up all the purchases they have made in the month. Okay. So here we will write sundries as per purchase journal. So purchase journal, what was the purchase journal amount? See, we will add here. What is the purchase journal amount? 60339. So this is the amount of purchase journal. Okay. Now we will post it to the purchase account. 936360. Okay. Fine. So how the process of purchase book goes, this is the process. Okay. So this was all about the purchase book. Now we will move to the purchase return book. Okay. Now what we will understand what is purchase return book. Purchase return book means we will record only those transactions, okay, which we have purchased on credit, and now we are returning some of the items back to the seller. Okay, returning goods back to the seller. Okay, so this is the purchase return. Now why we will return the items or the goods? Because it can be defective. Okay. Or we can say not a good quality, and many more. Okay. And so some or the other reason we will return some of the goods back to the supplier, and this returning of the goods, okay, back to supplier will record it in purchase return book. Okay. So now we will understand what are the performer of the purchase return book. So this is the performer of the purchase return book. Fine. Date debit note means the supplier will give us a debit note where he will write about all the details of how many goods are returned, at what rate, name of the person from whom the seller has been purchased. Okay, all about the information. So name of the supplier, this is the ledger folio, and the amount. This is the performer of the purchase return book. Fine. Now what we'll do after, in the same way in what we have done in purchase, we have record the transaction take place, then we record in purchase book, and then we'll post in on the ledger, and finally we will sum up all the items in the purchase account. In the same way we will do in the purchase return book also. As soon as the transaction take place, we will record it in the purchase return journal book. Here we will record, and then from this it will be posted to the ledger account. Okay, ledger posting, and then finally we will record in the purchase return account as sundries as purchase return journal. Clear? So this is the process of the purchase return book. Hope I have made you clear what is purchase book and purchase return book. If there is any doubt, just comment on my comment section. Okay. And keep watching, keep learning, enjoy my video. Thank you for watching this video.